Harley Davidson Iron 883 Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling is a realm of freedom, camaraderie, and the open road. For beginners entering this exhilarating domain, the choice of their first motorcycle is a pivotal decision that shapes their journey. The Harley Davidson Iron 883, with its blend of rugged character, accessible power, and iconic design, stands as a beacon for those new to cruiser riding. With its distinctive performance, classic aesthetics, and rider-centric features, the Iron 883 is a compelling choice for novices eager to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Energetic performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Harley Davidson Iron 883 lies a spirited 883cc V-twin engine that strikes a balance between power and approachability. This engine delivers a satisfying surge of power, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of cruising without feeling overwhelmed. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 is designed to provide a comfortable and engaging riding experience, offering a relaxed riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The mid-mounted foot controls, wide handlebars, and minimalist seat create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Iconic cruiser design and timeless aesthetics. The Iron 883 embodies the quintessential Harley-Davidson design language with a raw and stripped-down appeal. Its dark and rugged aesthetics, coupled with classic contours and iconic tank graphics, reflect the timeless style that cruiser enthusiasts hold dear. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the enduring heritage that defines Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Rugged handling and streetwise maneuverability. The Harley-Davidson Iron 883 offers a rugged yet controlled handling experience, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its sturdy chassis and responsive characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience, both on city streets and open roads. Safety features and riding confidence. Safety is paramount, especially for beginner riders. Many Harley-Davidson Iron 883 models come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature offers novices an added layer of confidence as they navigate various road conditions. Urban and expressive cruiser experience. The Iron 883's versatility makes it ideal for urban commuting and expressive cruising. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city streets and open highways, all while immersing themselves in the authentic Harley-Davidson cruiser experience. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the Harley-Davidson brand form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Iron 883's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Iron 883 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Harley-Davidson Iron 883 isn't just an introductory choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its performance, style, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Iron 883 as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Iron 883 captures the spirit of Harley-Davidson's commitment to delivering an authentic and rugged cruiser experience for beginners. With its energetic performance, iconic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Iron 883 provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Harley-Davidson Iron 883 motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for the open road and the legendary Harley-Davidson legacy.